What's going on YouTube? Welcome back. We're actually doing an install video. We're already midway through. We got one side of the header actually out from the title of the video. You guys already know what we're doing. I know it's been a minute. I haven't been uploading. I've done some installs I didn't even upload just because I just didn't think the video quality was actually that great. But right now we're actually installing the header. We're actually about midway through. We just took off the driver's side. Just want to show you guys a side-by-side comparison of the stock header to the headers that we're going with. We actually went with the stainless power 1/7/8 inch header from Stainless Works actually. So here it is. So there you go. You guys can see the difference between the two headers from the factory to the aftermarket that we have. We're actually going to be installing it. We have Lucio in the in the back of the Corvette. It's not enough space for two people. But as you can see, we're making some decent progress. Driver's side is off. Passenger side basically is going to be the more simpler side, I believe. But as soon as we get everything installed, we'll give you guys a little sound clip, see how it sounds. I didn't get a before clip, so that kind of sucks, but it shouldn't be a huge amount of difference just because I'm still running the factory cats. So we ran into a little issue. We didn't have an oxygen sensor tool for the oxygen sensors, the O2s, but luckily we literally made it 2 minutes before closing time of AutoZone and got the tool that we needed. Unfortunately, we don't have the what?
Torques.
The torques for it, but we're gonna make it work. Alright guys, so Lucio's finishing up on the seat already. We have both headers in. We're just gonna put in the last O2 sensor. It's freaking freezing out here. It's like 30 degrees, but I appreciate my boy for always helping me out with the car. As you can see, we have the PTR manifold. Didn't do an install video on that just because I didn't think the video was a good quality, but we have that installed. We'll do a little update later on. I'll probably do like a whole video of what we have done to the car that was off camera and not in a video. As you can see, we have the headers right there. It's freaking freezing, so we're gonna be stuttering a little bit. We're gonna get a good little sound clip as well right now. We're gonna do a little cold start once we clean up and make sure everything's tightened up. Alright guys, so we're going to do a little rolling start, but then we're going to go wide open throttle so that way you guys can hear how the car sounds. See if the car spins or not. Tires are cold. I can feel the top end now. Like the top end feels like it's consistent now. So even with the mods that I currently had on the car, it felt like a slouch in the top end. Now with the headers and it breathing a lot more, I can definitely feel the power holding at the higher RPMs. This is definitely a lot faster than previously, and it's spun the tires off like crazy right there, right off the start. Holy crap.